大家好啊！今次會分享 InnoSoul 第二代盲盒靜止的房間嘅抽盒手感。Hi everyone! I would like to share with you about the shaking tips of the InnoSoul in the Still Room series figures. 如果一拎上手感覺到好輕，上下空間好大嘅話，就有機會係深藏。由於佢冇配件嘅關係，所以無論邊一個方向搖都會感覺到好鬆動。The rubies in the cabinet is very light. Since there are no accessory parts, there is a lot of space when you shake the box in all directions. 迴響嘅手感同重量同深藏好相似，但係佢就有配件，所以搖嘅時候我哋大家可以仔細聽下聲音雜唔雜亂。The weight and shaking feel of the Song of the Soul are very much similar with the rubies in the cabinet, but there is an accessory part and it may collide with the box. 畫像呢一款都係輕嘅，六面搖嘅時候我哋會感覺到公仔均勻打下。The portrait is light as well. The figure collides with the box evenly when you shake it in all directions. 誓言呢一款因為佢嘅底座比較大，所以搖嘅時候我哋會感覺到佢同個本體互相碰撞，六面嘅空間唔大。The waxel file is light. There is only little movement when you shake the box in all directions, and the figure collides with the accessory parts. 中等重量嘅有幾款，其中一個係漂泊，公仔同埋底座係一體成型，所以六面搖嘅時候都有空間。The Ship of Memories is medium weight. There is some movement when you shake the box in all directions. Since the base is assembled, there are no accessory parts. 探到嘅重量同佢差唔多，呢一款四面嘅搖動空間唔大，但係底座就會打盒。The moving castle is with similar weight as the Ship of Memories, but there is only little movement when you shake the box laterally, and the base collides with the box. 信息呢一款由於佢會着燈嘅關係，所以會多一張說明書。搖盒嘅時候，除咗感覺到佢六面都有空間之外，我哋仲要仔細聽下佢會唔會有卡片互相摩擦嘅聲音。For the lonely light, there is some movement when you shake the box in all directions. Since there's an additional instruction manual included, so when you shake the box, the cards rub against each other. 至於幽靈呢一款，我哋搖嘅時候會感覺到佢上下嘅晃動明顯，但係四面嘅空間就唔大。For the gold statuary is medium weight. There is significant movement when you shake the box vertically, but only little movement when you shake laterally. 方圓呢一款望落去真係好有 feel， 搖嘅時候我哋會感覺到佢六面都均勻打下。The Forgotten statue is medium weight as well. The figure collides with the box evenly. 呢一個系列一拎上手就感覺到好重嘅款有三個，其中一個係女人，佢六面搖都有空間，乾燥劑竟然有70克咁重啊！ The Traveler is very heavy. The figure collides with the box when you shake it in all directions, and there's a super large pack of desiccants included. 故事呢一款同佢差唔多重。乾燥劑就正常翻，上下搖有空間，佢會好似個長方體咁打盒，前後亦都會有機會頂下。The unfinished story is very heavy. There is some space when you shake the box vertically. It collides with the box like a keyboard, and it may protrude the lateral sides of the box. 串系列最重嘅係鏡像，佢同女人嘅乾燥劑一樣超級大包，六面搖都有空間。The moon in the mirror is the heaviest one. There is some space when you shake the box in all directions, and there's a super large pack of desiccant included as well. 今次嘅隱藏款叫回憶，大家鍾唔鍾意 InnoSoul 呢一套公仔啊？歡迎喺留言區嗰度話俾我聽。The secret is named as the Frozen Time. If you want to know more about it, feel free to click the link in the comments. Thank you so much.